So now let's talk about assignment categories and weights. This is how you're going to make those. You are going to go down to assignments in the side panel, and to make a category for us, you're going to press on plus group. And then I've already made the categories, but I still have one to do, final exam, and looking at my list, that one is worth 10%, so I'm going to hit save. So now I want to make sure that I have all of these correct. So assignments, that's where all those are imported. It's worth 0. That's correct. Coursework, 35%. I see that here. Assessment, 20%. That's good. Extended coursework is 10%. Reinforcement is 15%. Class engagement compliance is 5%. Assessment participation is 5%, and final exam is 10%. So all of that looks correct. I can also check by just looking right here at assignment group weights, and I can see that all of the weights very easily right here, and could change them if I needed to, but we're good, so I don't need to do that. And that's all you have to do to create your assignment categories and weights. Now, primary grade band, yours is a little bit different, so be sure you follow your list on your setup sheet.